Hello everybody and welcome to my Film It Friday. If you want to see what I've been up to this week, then keep on watching. So, what a week. What a week. Welcome to my channel, by the way. Let me sort this cushion out because it's annoying me. I could see it in the background flat and it was doing my head in. So, let's start again. Welcome to my channel. My name is Alexandra and I'm one of the admin on Crochet Beginners group. I set Crochet Beginners group up about 3 years ago and we are now a global group with over 110,000 lovely crocheters from all over the world. Oh, excuse me. So this week I flew back from Orlando Monday night, got back in Tuesday morning. My jet lag is awful. My house is a mess because I've got builders in. The builders did want to be in my Film It Friday, but they've gone out and it's just the electricians now that are here. So they're not going to be in it. I got Megan. I'm waiting on a call from the GP because she's got really bad ear infection and I took her to the doctors yesterday and they gave her spray and it's not working, it's just getting worse. So I'm waiting for a phone call from the GP. I've got an essay to do for Thursday that I haven't even started. I start my new placement on Monday. I'm training to be a mental health nurse, so it's placement time. Sorry, you are going to hear the electricians. Let me just pause it until they've stopped. I think they've stopped now. Fingers crossed. I'm going to Wonderwall tomorrow in Wales, so my life is all a bit mad. Crochet wise, I have finished my jumper for the cow, so we're doing a crochet along, which is the from Tinderbox Patterns and it's the Rebecca jumper, and I have done mine after my sleeve disaster. So if you saw my live on the group on Crochet Beginners group the other day, you will know that I had a bit of a wonky sleeve and a perfect sleeve and I had to frog it and I frogged the wrong sleeve, which was great. So this is what it looks like. I have done a large because I used Robin Chunky and it's a different size yarn. So it is a bit of an oversized jumper, but it's come out lovely and I love it. And I have now got some yarn that is the right size, so I'm definitely going to do another one. I absolutely love it. It's come out really well and it's so simple to do. If you are new to crocheting garments, especially adult garments, it is perfect because it is so simple. So that is done. I am currently finishing off Megan's jumper. I will pop a picture. It's a free pattern from Yarnspirations, the people that make Karen Simply Soft. So I'm doing it in Karen Simply Soft and that's a really easy jumper, but it's not a raglan. So this sleeve is a raglan. So basically you work up to sort of the sleeves are in, a part of the sleeve is included, whereas the sleeves jumper that I'm doing, the sleeves are totally separate and you have to join them, which is always fun because even with sewing I am not that great at inserting sleeves, so fingers crossed. Tomorrow a few of us are off to Wonderwall in Wales, which I'm really excited about, but I'm not going to buy any yarn because if you saw in my live I bought some back. I will show you. Sorry, there's stuff everywhere in this room as well because I've had to clear my kitchen out and I had to vacuum pack my yarns to bring back. I went a bit crazy in Hobby Lobby, so I have got lots of this. I am going to unpack it and do a proper yarn haul video. It's just everywhere's really dusty at the moment and I couldn't be bothered to go down to the bottom of the garden and film in my summer house because I am like shattered and the 5 hours time difference has completely messed me up. I'm really struggling, so yeah, see, I'm tired, like I'm absolutely shattered. Anyway, it's a bit of a rambly Film It Friday. I will insert onto the end of this video what my new kitchen looks like at the moment. It was supposed to be tiled. The floor tiles were supposed to be put down yesterday, but Topps Tiles, not the builders, Topps Tiles ordered the wrong tiles. Nice one. So I think they might be coming on Monday. Yeah, so it's all a bit stressful. But I'm going to vlog Wonderwall. So girls, make sure you look amazing. I mean, you look amazing anyway, but you can look double amazing because you'll be in my video. And I hope everyone has a lovely weekend, and I will speak to you all soon. Take care, happy crocheting. I'm going to put the video of my kitchen on the end now. So the builders have just gone out for breakfast, which is highly hilarious because they were like, do you want us to bring you anything? And so I thought I would take this opportunity to show you, while they're not singing, what is going on. So this here is new. From this wall here, this used to be patio and it is now going to be kitchen. So let me stand this way and you can have a look. That's my oven in that box there. So they are just putting the kitchen in. So the cooker and the hood is going to go here. And this is what it looks like. This was my it was a kitchen dino, it was all in. So all this is like a wreck. My washing machine doesn't live there, it's just dumped there, not plumbed in. This wallpaper was not ours. And all this was through, but now there's a stud wall here. And my fridge has had to come here. And all this is new, these two walls, and this is what was my kitchen. The cooker was not there, can I just say, and it's absolutely disgusting in here. This is where they pulled the cooker out from, and it's always gipping when they pull a cooker out. So this is going to become a bathroom. So this was not as small, this was through. This wall here did not exist. So it's pretty grim at the moment, but once the kitchen is in, which it should be, it's being tiled tomorrow. Yeah, and then that can get ripped out and I can use this, and all this has been replastered. This wall is going to get replastered as well. So when they come back, I shall show you my lovely builders who sing quite a lot. So these are the builders, they do exist.
Are you live now?
No, but I'm putting it in my YouTube video. So what is your company?
We're Premier West Development, part-time models, and knitting enthusiasts.
Crochet.
Crochet, sorry.
And you can sing really well.
I'm struggling to screw this up.
Alright. So yeah, that is them, they do exist.